Okay, Jasper, let's go and get Hilda and Slith. Whoa, from Jasper. Where do you think you guys are going? You forgot about me. Daniel, you're not allowed on this trip because Marcia Roger didn't allow you. That's why you couldn't come. Oh, that's fine, as long as you come on the next adventure with you guys and your other friends. Of course, you will be able to come on our next adventure, Daniel, if that ever happens. I guess we should reveal the truth. It isn't because Marcio Roger doesn't want you to come on this trip, Daniel. It's because you don't really take things seriously. That's kind of why. Oh, that's fine. Anyways, I better get going. See you guys later. Oh wow, the Master Emerald really is gone. Yeah, it was taken by some mysterious skeleton robot-like figure. Then we better stop him.